Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Here we've got the option Reset, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network Settings. Let's simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Just tap on Reset Network Settings if you're ready, and here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset Network Settings if you're ready, and here we've got the info, which means that we just successfully reset everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.